Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we'll be sharing a very important information of Cognizant PA2 Associate Promotion Gift Unboxing and Review. Yes, you heard it right. So I want to thank one of our subscriber to sending these promotion gift photos. So this will be a very short video, so I will be showing you what and all Cognizant have sent for the promotion gift, and I will be telling you some important things also, like how long will it take to receive my promotion gift, how can I track my promotion gift, what steps should I follow to get my promotion gift. So each and every detail will be covered in this video, guys. And I know many people have already received their promotion gift, July promotion people, March promotion people, now October and January people. So upcoming quarters, those who all will get promotion, they might be wondering when they will get their promotion gift. So for them this will be very helpful, guys. And why I have added this surprise emoji, because so compared to last promotion gifts, so from July promotion people, they are giving one new extra thing. So I will be telling what and all things they are giving you. So guys, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. And guys, I will be making a video on Cognizant associate promotion to senior associate promotion also in our upcoming video. So guys, if you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. So let us start our video. So how long will it take to receive my promotion gift? So guys, you have to wait complete 1 quarter to get the promotion gift. So July people got in October, so October will get in June, so all January, so almost 3 months. So 100% they are taking, guys. So I have asked some 5 to 6 people, so everyone are getting almost after 3 months. So you have to wait for 3 months. How can I track my promotion gift? So there is an app called delivery tracking. So you have to go to the Google and type delivery tracking. So there you just give your phone number and OTP, so you can track your promotion gift, guys. So don't worry, guys, when you are receiving the promotion gift. So to like example, if today you are receiving the gift, morning you will get WhatsApp message or text message that your order is out for delivery, like that. So then you can get to know that you will be getting promotion gift. So as I told, so 3 months 100% it is taking, guys. 3 months or 2 months, so for sure. What step should I follow to get my promotion gift? So after getting promotion, immediately after some 10 to 15 days, you will be getting one survey mail to fill the address. So don't forget to fill that address, guys. So if you won't fill that survey mail, so you won't get promotion gift. So you have to enter your name, your address, your location, so everything. So if you enter it properly, then only you will get your promotion gift. So some people have missed to fill that survey, so that's why they haven't received, guys. So guys, this is not only for PA to associate promotion, so associate to senior associate promotion also, they are getting the same gift, guys. So I hope you got to know what and all important things you should keep in your mind to get this promotion gift. So let us unbox this. So I have shown the pictures what and all they have given you, guys. So this is how the box it will be. So in this box it has mentioned that 3000 rupees. I don't think so that what and all things people have got it is worth of 3000 rupees, but still they have mentioned that it's 3000 rupees. And after unboxing that box, this is how a Cognizant box will be looking like. And then as you can see, water bottle. So almost from past 1.5 year, Cognizant were not giving the water bottle, but now they are giving water bottle, guys. So in that there is a Cognizant logo also mentioned there. So that is one good thing, so that we can keep this bottle forever, that we have a Cognizant gift like that. So and one chocolate box. So chocolate box size they have received decreased, guys. So this is the pen. This is a pen of a Pierre Cardin. So this might can be 800 to 900 rupees. Black color, blue color, like that color is getting varied. That's all. And this is the gift. So 8 different varieties of chocolate you are getting. So before people used to get 12 gifts. So I also got totally 12 different chocolates. So eight different chocolates they are giving. So the box size they have reduced because they are giving the water bottle. And this is the water bottle, Borosil water bottle, and this is of about for 500 rupees. So this is 800 ml water bottle, and this is one letter. So they are giving one letter like congratulations on your promotion. This is a well earned recognition of your hard work, passion, and the impact you make every day. As you take a new challenges, take a moment to reflect on your journey and celebrate all your achieved so far. Your dedication to our clients and our company future or fuels our momentum, and we can't wait to see what you will accomplish next. Cheers to your continued success. So this card you will be getting from CEO Ravi Kumar. So as you can see that. So that's all, guys. This and all they will be giving you for the promotion gift. So people have a question like whether we'll get Diwali gift. No, you won't get Diwali gift. New Year gift we used to get, but not so this year. What they will do, because last year they used to take for trips, and some people only got this New Year gifts. So I will let you know what is the latest update on a New Year gift, but Diwali gift you won't get, guys. So thank you for watching our video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned.